So, I would love to introduce you to something truly incredible. Again, if you love Discord, if you love talking on Messenger app on your Facebook or on your iPhone, on iMessages or your cell phone or Snapchat, or if you love any kind of a community, including Twitter, where you can chat, but you want to keep that privacy, you can do that with our new application called OxFriend. Let's talk about it. So, OxFriend will allow you to create community chat rooms, direct message your friends all privately. You will never be banned. You will never be scanned by AI. Your privacy will remain yours forever. Again, truly unique ecosystem. Again, people are being banned off of Instagram, off of Facebook, off of other platform that exists out there. So we created one where you can truly just know that whatever account you create will be there forever, never to be touched, banned, or even scanned by anyone. So this is OxFriend. What's really wonderful, aside from building communities or chat rooms or talking to friends or family, you can create entire online businesses, communities. You can run your store, whether you want to sell flowers or sell cakes or build an entire ecosystem online. It's all possible via OxFriend. And again, all you have to do is just go to www.oxfriend.com. And again, we are running a special because this is a brand new creation that I just made. And this website and all of its tools will be available to you for the low price of absolutely free. You cannot beat free. And again, so we'll go through a little tutorial so you can kind of familiarize yourself how to actually use it. But we have about 25 additional updates that are coming to the website over the next couple of days, actually, not weeks. So get ready for all those updates. But right now, in the meantime, you can sign up and you will be grandfathered in to use it forever for the low price of absolutely free. And again, this is a far cry from every other piece of software you've ever seen. So let's get into it. All right, everybody, let's do a quick tutorial on how you're going to sign up for OxRank. If you're a brand new member, you've never been to this website, OxFriend.com. It's very similar to WAP and there's other companies like Ko-Fi, so on and so forth. Again, it's for creators, anybody that wants to start an online business. You want to create your own private community group chat. If you want to privately direct message with other friends. Again, this was created as a true ecosystem. So you can start a business, you can create chat rooms, you can talk to other people, and you will never be touched in terms of what you say. You'll never be scanned. There's no computer or AI looking at what you're texting. It's 100% all private. A true freedom of speech platform to run any business or just create a chat app. So again, if you're sick of places like Discord, Patreon, WAP, Ko-Fi, any of these other companies, they continuously scan every word you say and then ban you off of those platforms and ruin your business or your communities you built. This is one app that will never do that. True freedom of speech where you can grow your business. You will never be banned. You will never be disabled, shut off. Nothing will be done to your account. So we really would just want to protect people and make sure that whatever community they start, whatever business they start, it stays up and running. No questions asked. Again, you have to, with freedom of speech, you have to accept everything you like and dislike. So there are communities in here you're going to love. There's going to be communities in here you don't love, and you can just press a button and it will hide those communities forever. You don't have to see them again. So very, very cool. You're going to click on the register over here, and it's going to take you to the screen. Again, so you're going to click I'm not a robot. You're going to go to a username, and again, so let's just, for me, it's going to be, let's say, OxRank, and then email oxrankapp@gmail.com. And again, so I will just do OxRank app, and then you're gonna put in your, password right here, and then you're gonna put your password again. Just keep in mind when you do click I agree to the terms and conditions over here, before you hit the submit button, I want you to remember what your username is. You will be logging in with your username, not with your email address. Okay, so make sure that you know what your username is. So mine is OxRank. So once I click submit, I will actually be taken in to the sign-in screen. So on this sign-in screen, I'm going to type in OxRank, and then I'm going to type in the password. So keep in mind that password that you just created is going to be that password, and then you can click remember me, and then you're going to be remembered, and it's going to take you inside. So now When you're on the main page, you just click login and you will be in. All right. So now that you're in login, there are two options over here. There's an option as a member, right? So you can follow other communities. You can talk to other people, right? There's going to be new creators over here. We just created this. So there's going to be probably tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of creators very soon. Right now, there's only about 5 or 10. So when you click on member, you can talk to those different communities. You can interact with them. You can join their chat rooms, or you can click on create. So when you click on create, it will give you the opportunity to create your own community. So you will put a community name here. You will put a tagline. You will put topics of interest and a short URL for your community. Again, so eventually, right, you're going to want to lead people to your community or to whatever tier system you have or to your business. So, that business is eventually going to be, OxFriend, OxFriend.com, right? / whatever, right? OxRank. So you don't have to put any of these other, your short URL will be just what you want it to be. So OxFriend / OxRank, right? Or whatever your business is, let's say, cars and boats, right? So eventually you're going to your URL will be created for you with, it's going to say oxfriend.com / C / cars and boats. But you're only going to put the name of what you want it to be, and then you will have that full one created for you. And then keep in mind, you need to create a photo, 150 by 150 pixels, and you need to create an avatar as well. That's 1200 by 1300 pixels. So again, this is actually backwards. I'm sorry. So the cover photo should be 1200 by 300. And then the avatar should be the 150 by 150. So then you create a little about page about your business and you hit save. And then when your business is fully created there, you can then set up, you have to tie in Stripe with your business. And once you tie in Stripe, you can actually create a tier system to then go ahead and sell or make a subscription or promote anything you want. So again, this is very different on the profile over here. If you click on profile, you'll be able to see the subscriptions you created. You'll be able to see your settings, and you'll be able to edit anything. You'll be able to make sure you go into settings and you want to say show public profile. You want to show public profile interests, and you want to show subscribed communities on profile. Then you want to add the topics of interest, and you also want to add a avatar for yourself, right? Which is separate for the business. Again, you can use the same one if you'd like. Again, the payment methods will be over here. Your payments will be here. Your passwords will be here. And then anybody in your community that's causing you problems, you can block right there. So those are some of the features under profile. And again, there's your app, there's when you register the account. Now, when you switch to member, over here, you will be able to search. Again, keep in mind, if you click this little 3-bar button up here, it will keep this tab up here permanently. So it doesn't actually close in. But if you click it again, it will just automatically go in and hide or unhide. Again, I like to just keep it like this so it does not hide. When you go to chats, you can create chat rooms over here. And again, if you go to profile over here, make sure you have set up all of these settings over here. Then when you go to create, this is where you're going to create those chat rooms. Again, so I'll show you that in just a second. Then you'll be able to chat, and you'll also be able to direct message as well. Your notifications will be here. So if you click on search, you can type in, let's say, invest. Let me type it in, invest with Alan, and there it is. And you can now find my community there, and you can subscribe. You can subscribe to build a portfolio. You can subscribe to, portfolio reviews and live streams. And any person that creates a subscription here will be able to basically, search for somebody there. Now, again, if you're a creator, you're going to hit the create button, and you're going to build out your community there. So let's go through that right now. Again, so you're going to log in. And once you log in, you're going to hit that create button. And once you create that community, and you're going to put a name on it. So I called mine Invest with Alan. If I click on it now as a creator, I can now see this creator page over here. where you're gonna have to make sure you add a picture up here. You're gonna make sure you want to add avatar. Again, so you're gonna go to settings, and then you're gonna create that short form URL. You're gonna for that community. Again, you can create multiple communities as well. You want to make sure it's active and published. And again, you want to add a couple of topics of interest. You want to add that avatar, and you want to add that cover photo and save. Then this actually appears. Then under here, under chats, you're going to click the new chat button, and you're going to create a brand new chat. Again, this is your ban list. The shop store is coming, and also collaborations are coming, which is very cool. But settings is very important because this is going to allow you to make those edits. Again, tiers are right here. You can add new tiers. So again, you can add a $10 a month tier, $20 a month tier. You can create brand new tiers by clicking the new tier option over here. And again, if you have a tier like this one, you can click edit, and you can go in here and you can edit it. You can edit the net maximum number of subscribers, the name of it, the description of it, the price. And again, you can just hit that save button and it will automatically save it. So subscription tier successfully saved. You can check out the analytics, how your money is flowing in and out. Where you're getting the traffic from, where you're getting new subscribers. So again, because it's brand new and just created, you're not going to see that. You're going to be able to add moderators. If you want to have a manager or somebody running your company, a CEO or a CFO, notifications will be right here. And again, these notifications, when you switch to, this is what it looks like now when you switch to member mode. Now, again, if we switch back to creator mode, you can check out the content you've made. So I made a message over here. I said, I am buying Duolingo. And if I click on it, you can see I just bought $8,700 of Duolingo, and I'll be adding more. The company beat on all expectations, and I have no long-term fears. Also, community members that sign up can add a message over here and comment. Again, they also like or dislike that comment as well. So lots of additional features coming. This is kind of an incredible beginning to something beautiful. Make sure you register and sign up, and then you will be grandfathered in. We will be eventually charging anywhere between $10 to $35 for signups, and then there'll be a lifetime sign up. But for now, it is absolutely free, and you will be grandfathered in for free. So you can create a community, you can create a business, you can create anything, and there's zero charge to you. Truly an opportunity of a lifetime. And again, I appreciate any of you that are interested in, kind of testing it out. Again, if you have any questions, you can just email me at OxFriend app at gmail.com. So OxFriend app at gmail.com, and I will help you out with everything I can. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.